Hi everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Brian, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to slipstream Service Pack 3 in the command prompt into a copy of Windows XP. Now for this job you're going to need a copy of Windows XP to take the files off the CD and put them onto your desktop, and you're going to also need to download Service Pack 3, which you can get from any download site which you can find it on, but this is obviously on Microsoft, which is a more trusted site. The file size is about 300 megs, as you can see, 316 megs. If you've got a fast download speed, you should be able to download that pretty quickly. Now, this also works for the same principle as Service Pack 2. So if you wanted to slipstream Service Pack 2 and you don't want to do Service Pack 3, then by all means you can do that as well. It's the same process. Now, you can use programs called like Nlight and stuff like that. I'll maybe make another video on how to use that program. It is a cool program, but I just want to show you how to just slipstream a copy of a Service Pack 3 into a disk. Okay. You can also need these programs. You're going to need Magic ISO, because we're going to create a bootable CD from it as well, so we can actually boot to that CD. It's no good making a slipstream disk if you can't boot to it. So we're going to need a boot image file, which I will put in my description, and also make a Magic ISO program or some sort of ISO program. Okay, and there's our Service Pack 3 ready to go. So basically we need to go to our C drive, because that's where I'm going to create. So there's our file, Service Pack 3 file, and also we need to make a folder called XPCD, and inside there is our copy of Windows, what we've grabbed off of our CD. Now you need to put the CD in the drive, explore the drive, and actually grab all the files off the CD and drag them into this folder. Okay. Now you can already see there is the Service Pack 3 already in here, but I'm just going to show you how the process works. This has already got Service Pack 3 on it, but I will show you how to do it. Okay, so let's get started. So first off we need to go Start, Run, and then type CMD in the actual run bar. This will bring up the command prompt. From command prompt we need to type CD space / and then push enter. That gives us the root directory, C root directory. Type CLS to clear the screen. So we've got a nice clear screen. Okay. Now from there we need to copy our file. Now a little tip here is to save you a bit of time. Just go back to this folder, hit this file here. This is our file. Right click, rename, and copy. Otherwise you're going to have to type all that out. It's a bit of a nightmare. So I just paste that file name in there because it's a bit of a long one. Then hit space. Okay, and then you need to put / and then you need to type integrate. Okay, so you need to put integrate. And then you need to put C:, and then you need to put /, and then we need to put XPCD, which is our folder. Okay. So once we've got that, command up there, we can hit the enter key, and that will now take our files from this folder and put it into. Take this file from that folder and into the actual XP one. Okay. Push enter, and this is what you're going to get, extracting the files from there. Okay. Once we've done that, it's going to put all the Service Pack 3 files into that XP folder. Once that's finished, we'll create the bootable image from all the files in that folder. So you just need to wait until this is done. Shouldn't take too long. You may get a different message to me because I've already got Service Pack 3 now. I'm not sure what's going to happen. You won't get this message, I don't think. You'll get another box pop up with another little line. Okay. Just click OK and close that. So that's now done. Okay. Now if we look in there, obviously we've got our Service Pack 3. So what we need to do now is make a bootable image. So I'm going to go into my Magic ISO. Find the files that we've just created into that folder. So there's XPCD. Need to highlight all these files, hold the shift key down so they all go blue, and then just drag them up into this area. Once we've done that, we can now see all our files that we want to copy, and it says non-bootable, so we need to make it bootable. This is when we need our boot image. So load boot image, click on this icon, leave it on from boot image file. I'm going to browse to that file, which is, I know where it is, it's on my desktop, so you'll obviously put it where you like. Click OK, and it's now made that bootable. So we need to now save this file, save as, I'm going to call it say XP. Okay, and it's now creating that file onto my desktop, as you can see, xp.iso. Let that just create the file. And once we've done that, I'll boot that file up just to show you that it's bootable and it works. So if we burnt that to a CD now, that's bootable and it'll be ready to go. Okay, so that's now closed, and I'm just going to quickly show you that it does boot up. We need to actually direct our CD. This is a virtual drive, a virtual machine, so I just need to add that file which is on my desktop. As you can see, select, and now we're going to boot to this image, okay, just to show you that it does work. And then push start, and we should see the blue screen. It should say push any key, which works. Push enter, and there you go. Okay, so as you can see, it's now loading. My name is Brian from britec.co.uk. Hope this video has been some use to you. Thanks very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment or email me. Any requests for videos, just send us a message and I'll do my best to make one for you. Okay? Bye for now.